Welcome to the first test instruction video. Let's start with our offsets. The offsets can be set as dollar value or percentages. The offset determines how deep in the order book your orders will be placed. If you are trying to buy Bitcoin below current value, you use an offset to determine how far away from the current price you would like your order to be placed. On Bybit, the current price is displayed here. Next to it you can find the index price. The index price is the average of some spot exchanges. The Bybit price is programmed to follow the price on these spot exchanges. If everyone would buy long contracts on Bybit, the funding rate will create counterparty incentives by taking money from those who are in a long and giving it to those who are in a short position. This is done every 8 hours. A positive number, which we can see now, represents that shorts are getting paid 0.01% by those who hold a short position. Back to our offsets. If we place limit orders below or above the price, we basically wait in the order book for someone to fill our trades. This provides liquidity to the exchange and attracts more users. Placing limit orders is rewarded with a negative fee, called a rebate. These rebates are 0.025%. Taking a market trade, meaning you buy directly from the first seller in line, or you sell directly to the first buyer in line, is punished with a fee of 0.075%. This makes it more attractive to take limit orders. In our example table, we are going to buy the dip. We have offsets ranging from $5 to $1,000. Some of the offsets are set to percentages. Now we've told our agents where they should enter, we have to give it an exit target. For this, we have to adjust the exit multiplier. Our agent will enter $5 below the price, with the value of our offset being set to 5. This value will be multiplied by our exit multiplier in order to get our exit target. The exit multipliers are set to 3, so the exit target will be $15 above the price that we will get our orders filled. The entry multiplier is not very relevant for this example. It is implemented mostly for future purposes. With an entry multiplier, you multiply your offsets with this value in order to determine your entry order price. It is not very useful for us, as we can determine our offsets without using the entry multiplier. We will therefore keep its value to 1. Here is an example table deployed on the live market. You can find his example table in the test tables channel in Discord.